gonna work through a couple progressions for lunges. So we're gonna go from a static lunge into forward and backwards stepping lunges. So the easiest way to determine where your feet should be for your lunge is to come down into this position and pretend like you're gonna tie your shoe, right? So this is gonna give me the knee and hip angle that I want. So I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna tuck my back toes. I'm gonna shift my weight onto my front leg and I'm gonna stand straight up. And then I'm not gonna move anything and I'm gonna lunge straight back down. So static lunge, right in this position. Now if I don't have the depth yet, if I don't have good control all the way down or it's painful, I can modify my depth by putting something here to lunge to. So now I'm not going quite as far, but I'm still in good alignment. I'm also welcome to hold on to something for balance. Now I don't want to pull myself up with my arm, but I can use this for balance initially, okay? Once we're comfortable with the position that we need to be in and how to gauge that step length, we can progress to a step back lunge, and then I step together. So I'm still creating this initial position with each lunge, but it's a little bit more dynamic. Once we're comfortable with that, we can do a forward lunge, right? I still need to end in that same position, and then I'm driving back. I want to keep my torso relatively straight up. Once we're comfortable with those, we can progress them to walking lunges, where this step turns into my next step. And I continue to go. We can also start adding weight, right? I can hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell in front of me and load it here. I can also put weights in my hands and load it with bilateral weight down here, whether I'm doing them statically or I'm walking.